What is an assignment for the benefit of creditors, ABC? Have you ever wondered what happens when a business finds itself in financial trouble but wants to avoid the lengthy process of bankruptcy? One option that may come into play is an assignment for the benefit of creditors, often referred to as an ABC. This process is a voluntary legal method that allows financially distressed businesses to liquidate their assets and pay off creditors without going through formal bankruptcy proceedings. In an ABC, the business, known as the assignor, transfers its assets to an independent third party called the assignee. This assignee acts as a fiduciary, which means they have a responsibility to manage the assets and ensure that the proceeds are distributed to creditors according to legal priorities. This process is primarily governed by state law, which means it typically involves less court oversight than federal bankruptcy. More than 30 states in the United States recognize and allow ABCs, making it a valuable option for many small to mid-size businesses. The ABC process can be faster and may incur lower legal costs compared to traditional bankruptcy. This flexibility makes it an attractive choice for businesses looking to liquidate in an orderly manner without the complexities of federal bankruptcy court. The assignee's role in an ABC is similar to that of a bankruptcy trustee. They are responsible for liquidating the company's assets, evaluating and verifying creditor claims, and distributing the proceeds to creditors in the appropriate order. The main goal here is to maximize the return to creditors, who take priority over shareholders. Shareholders only receive any remaining assets after all creditors have been paid. To initiate an ABC, the business's board of directors must authorize the assignment and select a suitable assignee, often after consulting with insolvency counsel. The assignment contract is then recorded in public records as required by state law. Once the assets are liquidated and claims are settled, the assignee issues dividends to creditors. These dividends may or may not cover the full amount owed, depending on how much value was realized from the liquidation. While ABCs offer a more controlled and potentially less costly exit strategy for businesses facing insolvency, they do lack certain protections that come with bankruptcy, such as the automatic stay. This means that businesses must comply with legal requirements carefully to avoid increased liability to creditors. In some situations, senior secured creditors may even initiate an involuntary ABC under specific conditions. In essence, an assignment for the benefit of creditors is a state law-governed alternative to bankruptcy. It facilitates the liquidation of a troubled business's assets through a fiduciary assignee, aiming to pay creditors in an orderly and efficient manner while avoiding the formalities and expenses of federal bankruptcy court. This option is particularly relevant for small and medium businesses seeking a streamlined liquidation process.